Hello, my name is Ahmad Mujahid bin Ahmad Nizam. My ID matrix number is A175950.
My name is Muhammad Faris Imadi bin Fuzel, matric number A178161.
Hi, my name is Nurliana Sofia Zakia binti Ashraf Farhi and my metric number is A177872.
Hi, my name is Iwan Singh. My matrix number is A176271.
By implementing visual method, firstly, we will have to prepare art materials for students. Preparations consist of art materials such as drawing blocks, colored pencils, colored paper, paint brushes, and many more. Secondly, we will also use charts and graphs during the lesson. Charts and graphs like this could help students to visualize what are they learning in class.
Visual learning materials such as flashcards are also used for testing and improving students' memory through practice information retrieval.
And lastly, by preparing multimedia presentations like PowerPoint slides could help students to retain new concepts and words.
So I will be explaining about the during class. So we have picked a topic for this purpose. So our topic will be on Malaysians local fruits, or in Malay we call it as buah-buahan tempatan. So why do we use visual learning for this topic? So first of all, some fruits name in Malay is associated with certain characteristic that was shown by the fruit. For example, like the texture or similarity. Also, fruit can be easily distinguished through their colors. Hence, by using visual learning, a person can recognize the fruits by associating it with a certain colors. Now, Malay word usually is made up from combination of syllables. To make the learning easier, each word was separated accordingly to their syllables. Now, let's move on to the simulation. So, good morning guys. Today we are going to learn about buah-buahan tempatan, or in English we call it as local fruits. So, our first buah will be durian. So, this fruit is thorny and green. So, thorn in Malay we call it as duri. So the next fruit will be rambutan. So this fruit is hairy and red. So hair in Malay we call it as rambut. The third will be mata kucing. So this fruit outer layer is rough and brown, and the seed looks like a cat's eye. So in Malay we call the cat's eye as mata kucing. That is why we call this fruit as mata kucing. Now I have some quizzes for you. Could you guys name the fruit?
Next, applications like Link App, Vocally, and Simply Learn Malay are one of the ways for students to do revisions. These applications also help students to study more effectively and efficiently.
Seorang perempuan. Saya seorang perempuan. Seorang lelaki. Awak seorang lelaki. Seorang perempuan.
22 22.
This is the last part of the method presentation, which will be conducted after each lesson. This part is to measure the level of understanding on the topic that has been taught. The website that is used is Kahoot. It is a versatile website that you can add on your own questions and can be accessed with people who has to code. In ensuring that there's no cheating involved, students will be given a fixed time frame to answer all the questions, around 5 to 10 minutes after class is over. Here is a quick demonstration. Okay, so the question will be in Bahasa Melayu and English. So like this one, the answer is going to be durian. Okay, the next one, and then apakah nama saya? What am I? There's a few questions that you can be asked, and of course one of the questions is going to be like a trick to ensure that the students will actually know what is the actual answer. Alright, and then the next is the question is not going to be fixed on one type of question. It could be a storytelling question or anything that is good. Make sure that people would be more intrigued to answer it. Alright. After each class, there's going to be at least 5 questions so the students could answer it. Alright, and that's all the questions for today. Okay, so that's all for me today. With that, thank you.